Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, your coin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us look at the coin of the day. And as you can see, the coin of today is Chainlink, currently ranked at 19 with a market cap of $3.71 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $232 million, right? We are down for the month just 0.8%, a huge downward pressure for the week of about 12.1%. And at the point of recording, we are up about 1% on the day, right? And without further ado, if we move over to the chart, as you can see right here, this is the chart for Chainlink versus the US dollars. We are on the daily time frame. As you can see, we are in this consolidation range. As you can see, we pushed up even to the $8.2 resistance, and since then we have seen a huge wipeout of a lot of longs, right, even to the downside, right? Currently we are still in this consolidation phase, and so we could see a very huge push to the downside, but I'm favoring a more consolidation and then a huge push even to the upside. And I'll be telling you more reason why I believe we could see a consolidation. We could probably fake a lot of people to the downside, something like this. We could see consolidation push to the downside before we see another heavy push even to the upside, right? And this is the count I am looking at, as this looks like a bear flag continuation, right? Right, as you can see, we could see some consolidation, then a push to the downside. If we bring up our indicators, as you can see on our oscillator, the oscillator is a leading indicator, which means it shows you what's happening with price and gives you a higher probability of what is going to happen next to the price of that particular asset. And as you can see, the oscillator is steadily pushing even to the downside, meaning we should be expecting furthermore downward pressure even for the price of Chainlink in the medium to long term. And so, as you can see right down on our money flow shows us what's happening behind the scenes, if money is coming into Chainlink or money is leaving Chainlink. And as you can see, currently we are flat. We saw a huge sell volume coming into the market, but as you can see, currently we are flat. There are not much huge buy volume coming in, even though some little kind of buy volume, but not a lot of the buy volume more than the sell pressure. As you can see, we're having some huge divergence even to the upside right down here, even on the chart for the money flow. So we could see some consolidation, a fake out to the downside, and then a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. If we get to look at this chart, right, this chart is just a chart for our channels, which we said every single time we went above this channel, we were very bullish, right? And as you can see, the moment price went below this channel, we were very bearish, and we were expecting furthermore downward price pressure even down for Chainlink. But if we just switch over to this indicators right down here, you could see that the stochastic is doing such a good job, as right, if you just bought every single time the stochastic was at a single figure, right, to the downside, and you sell when it was overbought, you would have made a lot of money. As you can see, if you bought here, you would have bought right down at the bottom, and then you sold here, you would have sold the top. If you bought right down here, you would have been buying close to the bottom, and if you sold here, you would have sold close to the top. Currently, as you can see, we are very oversold, right, on the stochastic, which means we should begin to dollar cost average into our positions, as we should be expecting a reversal anytime soon. As you can see, same thing with the RSI. The RSI are steadily pushing even to the downside in the medium to long term, so it's something that we should be expecting that we could see a push to the downside in the medium to long term. If we switch over to this last chart, the last but not the least, and in this chart we have what we call the altcoin doctors indicator. This is a buy sell indicator that shows us when price is bullish. As you can see, every single time price was bullish, the indicator turned green, and every single time price was bearish, our indicator turned red. And you can see currently we are still in the red zone, meaning we should still further see some kind of fake out before we see any push even to the upside for the price of Chainlink. So that's the analysis. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day.